In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to connect TradesViz to TradingView. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and definitely you'll need to open up TradingView and TradesViz like you usually would. From here, you'll need to go inside of TradingView, and then you'll need to log into the specific account that you want to connect with TradesViz. From here, it should look something like this. Now from here, you'll need to go over to the paper trading and then click export data, and then export data, the positions tab right here. Once from here, you'll look something like this as a .csv file, like so. And from here, you'll need to go over to TradesViz like so. Once from here, you'll simply need to log into your account, and from here, you'll need to open up the add data and go over to import file. Once from here, it should look something like this. Now from here, you can add in a trading account if you want to do that, or you can go down here and search for TradingView like so. And from here, you'll be able to see the broker that you need to choose the specific broker and the broker reporting currency. You can also add tags if you want to do that, import from date if you want to do that. And from here, you'll simply need to go over and choose the specific file that you want to import. Once from here, you'll simply need to click this specific right here. And from here, you can add the trade date format and click upload like so. Once from here, you'll get an overview of all of your different orders inside of TradingView, and you'll be able to convert them directly into TradesViz from there. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!